Bengal has said goodbye to the slow growth rate of the past. It is now embracing the future with the grace and the agility of the Bengal tiger. Today, West Bengal is the fourth largest state economy in India, growing at over 15% GDA, which is much higher than the national average. Investments in infrastructure have been unprecedented. A global think tank ranked Calcutta second among Indian metros on overall performance, even ahead of Mumbai.
Their presence itself, it proves that yes, Bengal means business and Bengal is their destination. It is the strategic location. And we'll be happy to know that my 9 major countries have become the partners of this Bengal Business Global Summit. German, UK, Italy, France, Poland, South Korea, Czech Republic and UAE. They are the business partners, business summit partners. And also you'll be happy to know that large delegation to this summit were present here. From China it is 39 delegations. The Poland it is 50 delegations. South Korea it is 48. Italy it is 40 and UK 25. And other countries also, they are also present here. And their presence, it is also for success, what I feel so. Bengal Business Summit, what we started before 2-3 years ago. Now, this Bengal Summit, we are proud to say that we are not only honored, it is a proud privilege to be here today, that from Thailand to other parts, everybody is interested for Bengal, because Bengal is not only, it's a state, it's a gateway of northeastern region. It is a gateway of ASEAN countries also. Sajjanji already inaugurated their new plant, cement plant yesterday, JSW. Lakshmi Mittalji is a big industrialist. He also assured us if any opportunity comes, they will invest in Bengal. And I am grateful that Lakshmiji along with Ushaji, they are present here. They are also born here. They are educated from here also, from JBS. And Mukherjee also announced so many things. Here in London, I can tell you one thing. We can dedicate our heart to you. We can dedicate ourselves to you. We can dedicate ourselves to our industry friends. You do the business, invest money. Bengal means business. Bengal means the actual, let us do the business. Let us invest for better future. And Bengal is a destination now. So many states, I appreciate Maharashtra, they are the financial capital of India. But they are exhausted now. If you want to invest the other parts of the country, they have so many things, so they are exhausted now. But Bengal have the potentiality, because Bengal, even if you see from the tourism point of view, we have hills, we have Bay of Bengal, we have reserve tiger forest, we have deep forest, we have beautiful sea, we have Ganga Sagar, Mela to Durga Puja Carnival, everything. We are need to be সকল দেশের রানী, সকল রাজ্যের সেরা, সে যে আমার জন্মভূমি বঙ্গভূমি। মনে রাখবেন, সারে জাহাঁ সে আচ্ছা হিন্দুস্তান हमारा। We love India, we love unity of India, we love tolerance, and we tolerate. If industry is not tolerable, then what will be the tolerable things? I think you must invest Bengal. My friends have said so many things about me. I am a very simple man. and I'm absolutely a commoner. So I want to continue as a commoner, but I want to help all of you because Bengal is now attracting business from all over the world like never before. There is no pressure, no discrimination, no intimidation, only love, affection and attraction is here. So we are grateful that you have come from too far. I want to salute to all of you. I want to salute to all the foreign countries and their people, their citizens, their Prime Minister, their President. I want to salute to our country people also for their full support. I want to salute my industry friends also for their support. And especially, I think this is a golden arena that all my important industrialists are present here. Your presence itself proves that our Bengal Business Summit has become fully successful. Thank you so much, Lakshmi, for your taking too much travel from London. And Mukesh, thank you so much. You are a big industrialist, but you have taken trouble to come over here. But really, thank you so much for your gesture. Sajanji, yesterday also you were here. Today also you are here. And there are so many industrialists who go to everybody who are sitting from my first bench, first row, second row, and the down. All are very important. This convention will continue. The foreign friends will speak. There will be so many more also, and there will be so many agreements also. Department to department, our principal secretaries will meet the delegation also. They will also keep in touch with all of you. You enjoy, and please see that Bengal is your own sweet home. So please consider Bengal for your Bengal destination. I can assure one thing that Bengal will not deprive anybody. Bengal will love all of you. We have accepted all of you, welcome all of you. I quote Rabindranath Tagore. He has said, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, চিত্ত যেটা ভাষণ উচ্চ যেটা শীত। আর রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরের ভাষায় বলি, এসো আমার ঘরে, এসো আমার ঘরে, অর্থাৎ come to our home, come to Bengal, invest your money and invest yourself for the purpose of your business. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.